Hi guys, I'm fixing an iPhone 6 Plus. Screen is broken and I'm fixing it inside my car, and I charged the customers $120 how to fix everything in the car. This is the place where I keep all the screws. Okay. After that, I opened it. I have my everything here in my car. Now what I do, I'm trying to lift the screen a little bit above. Okay. Professional. You have to be a professional to do that, because you cannot fix without a table. Then I put, this is number 1 screws. I make a place for me inside my car which is magnetic, and I can take the screw and there. I don't know what's wrong here. Okay. So this is number 2. Number 3. This is number 4. Okay. Number 5. So I'm gonna do, I'm unplugging all the connections with the LCD and the motherboard. This is the screen now, it's departed from the main body. So now what happened, what I'm gonna do, first I'm going to take off all the screws. This is the fingerprint I detached from the motherboard. This is the fingerprint. I hope you guys can see it. Now I am almost close done with it. I don't need any more stuff. I have to be very careful about this screen, because this screen is originals and new. This is from another iPhone 6 Plus, and I usually don't use any kind of bad screens. Okay. Minutes. And the customer is waiting at the back car. She's in the back car. and she's a best customer for me, and that's the reason, I'm trying to give her a good feedback. So I'm giving her a free temper glass, so like she can feel it. I'm a good guy and I give her a good screen, and I don't want to lose on my customer in any way. I love my customers and I want to be very good and very understanding with my customers all the time. That's my main important thesis about my customer. Thank you. Now I'm putting a tempered glass for her. I hope you guys can see that much, a little bit, just fine. I'm done. I'm done, guys. Look, the phone is now this one. It's great conditions.